Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, my name is Mohammad Alif Faisal Shaari. I come from IM 245 course, which is Information System Management course. Today, I would like to talk about my course. Requirement, which is I need to make a system for this course, which is for creating system web-based. So my system title is TakeAction system, which is this system actually is about the community service to submit any complaint, or they have some problem regarding to their public facilities or something. So the user will be use this system, and they can choose who the authority that need to be responsible for any fatalities, such as PDRM, DBKL, or any authorities or agency that need to responsible for that. Okay, for the problem statement that I have identified before this, I can identify that there is no lot of system that provide user and space or form that they can actually send or report any their fatalities or any problem regarding to their public utilities. So the system actually will solve their problem, because with only one click, they actually can provide more access and communication to the authority service, such as PDRM and DBKL. So the system actually is a quite simple system, because the system is need user to only input some information, such as name, number, phone number, ICs, and then they also can add some pictures of evidence, and then they can add the complaint, and then they can add some place and location that they might be stay that have a problem, and then they also can choose what the authorities that need to be responsible. So for the objective of this system, is actually to provide users more broad system, which is they can only use one portal to make a complaint, which is they can only use this system to report to the police and some DPK or something. So in this project, the tools that I have used to develop this project is use Dreamweaver, which is Dreamweaver is the software that can help us to write coding and design the web design interface. So the other tool is I use the Warm server, which is to store the data of the information that has been recorded from the users, admin, and overall of the system. So for the limitation of the system, actually the system have quite a lot of limitation, because it is in early stage, which is this stage. The system only can capable to only receive the complaint, and then they only can send the complaint to any authorities. But the authorities or agencies cannot be directly contact or have a communication with the user that have submit their response and any problem that regarding to their place or any damage about the public facilities. So the target user of this system is actually this system can be used the communities in Kuala Lumpur or something, if the system have the authority to any state or something, such as if the system will be used in the Kuala Lumpur, the civilian of the Kuala Lumpur will be used this, and if the system will be used in Kelantan, the people in Kelantan can use this. But it depends on where the system can be used of the users. So the other things that I want to mention about the system is the system also have the admin section, which is the admin can easily access the data, such as they can view the all complaint that have been submit, and then the admin can take an action, such as they can delete, view or update any relevant information in order to user to see the how the system operates. And okay, we will move to the system, how we use the system. Okay, first of all, the system need need a user to register first, which is they can input or they can fill the form such as name, ICs, numbers, location, email and something, and this system also will provide user to enter their password and then register in order to use the system. So after that, the registered users need to log in into the system. So after the user have been logged in into the system, the users will directly go to the home page of the system, which is this home page of the system will list all of the information and report that have been created or submitted by the other people. So in this section also, the other people also can give the suggestion or comment to any problem that have been faced by another person, which is like the example, if this A person have the difficulties in their place, such as the road is have a problem, so the B person actually can suggest what these people can do to overcome this problem. So after this system receive all the report and respond from the users, the system will be store the information in the database, which is database will be used and handled by the admin. And other than that, users also can provide more clear evidence, such as they can add more image and evidence. So the report or response will be more clearer to any authority to do their job. So other than that, the system actually provide some small or subsystem that working for users can interact with the other users through the comment section. So this comment section actually it's quite good for the other people, because the other people can give suggestion and recommendation based on what the other people have been faced before. So this system is more like to community portal, which is we can interact with other people. So the system also can submit any response or report to the authorities. So the system might be useful if the system have a lot of features, such as we can directly contact the authority, and then the authority also can contact us directly without need to have this system to cooperate with us. So the advantage of this system is we can have only some easy method to send or submit the complaint to any authorities that might be useful to other people to know what actually happened in around them. So in conclusion, the system can be more useful if all people can use the system and make the system more interesting, because all of the complaint and report will be sent. So if there are more people interact with the system, so they will be more interesting to people know about the environment or location that have a problem. So the system will actually help them a lot to submit their response and proceed to any authorities agency. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.